If they saw these dance moves, everybody would come fishing with me.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, first fish.
There are a lot of people who talk about doing stuff. And then there are people who actually do stuff. These are their stories.
You see that?
So let's get out there. Let's put the pedal to the floor. Let's see if we have the balls. Let's get knocked down and get back up. Let's build something. Let's get our hands dirty. Let's have a cold one. Let's talk some shit.
Couple of cartwheels, Danny.
Let's get after it. Last time on Let's Get After It, host Danny Bolton journeyed to Portland, Oregon, where he hung out with pro skateboarder David Gravette to throw himself into the Portland skate scene and build a DIY rail feature at a local skate park. After discovering David's deep love for fly fishing, Danny calls in decked ambassador Lacey Kelly for a last-minute crash course on throwing flies across Southwest Florida's flats and mangrove shorelines. So what happens when this trio teams up? Let's find out as they, yeah, you guessed it, get after it.
Gravette, we made it. Florida.
Dude, how do we do that, man?
It's awesome, dudes. Yeah, we'll go see Lacy, decked ambassador, go hopefully catch some fish. A lot of sight fishing in these flats. I know she fishes for tarpon, redfish, snook, amongst other things. I'll learn some things from fly fishing. I'm sure she'll put you on some fish and meet the other cronies down here too.
Some good Florida men, dude.
For sure. I'm excited. And we're here to catch some fish, right?
You sure are.
Sick.
Man, can't wait, dude.
Okay, we're here. Let's go find Lacy. Lacy!
Oh, Gidget, no, Gidget, no.
This is classic.
Hi, my name is Lacey Kelly, and I'm probably the klutziest fishing guide that you've ever met in your life. But we're gonna have a good time and catch lots of fish. It's true. Hi, guys. You freaking made it. I'm so stoked. So we're located in Bokeelia, Florida. And I said that a little redneck, but Bokeelia is a pretty special place in the world. It's on the very northern tip of Pine Island, which is about 12 miles long. My family does have a lot of history here. I'm third generation Fort Myers and fifth Floridian, and the Kellys were farming up in South Carolina and decided to pack up and train cars and head down. We had some of the first farms, some of the first palm trees, some of the roads that you actually drove through, like 6 Mile Cypress, were cleared by hand by my grandfathers. So pretty neat.
What game this?
What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man.
How's it going, man? I'm Craig.
Craig, Danny.
Nice to meet you, Dan. Awesome. We better get going, man.
You ready?
Yeah, we gotta go.
All right, let's go.
Am I going with?
Gravette's just amping up. He's frothing.
Going fishing.
Sure she starts up this morning. Ready?
Now, if you're expecting one of those oh-so-dramatic fly fishing films with epic slow-motion topwater eats and dripping, gripping grins, well, this isn't it. But if you understand that the world isn't what you see on Instagram, you might enjoy this little story about learning something new and remembering what fishing is supposed to be about. You know, having fun.
Let's go fishing.
Well, I met Danny and Dave at the same time, actually. And then Danny and I got like stuck on a pontoon boat together, and he had never fly fished before. And then I left him alone on the back of the pontoon boat, and he freaking hooks and catches his first trout on fly.
Freaking double haul master back here.
And I think that sparked something in Danny. I think he was like, wow, I could actually do this. I go like this, I'm just gonna pull that fly up into the air away from your face. But if you're trying to eat the fly, my rod tip's low and my line is in line with that fish eating the fly. As soon as he eats it, you're connecting.
Okay.
If you lift the rod,
Point it out of their mouth.
you're just launching that fly into outer space, basically.
Kind of nervous. Just funny to be nervous about that, but like, it'll be fine, dude.
You'll be fine. I fish a lot of guys that never actually get it, and that's okay. They thoroughly enjoy it, and we go out there and get after it, but I got a lot of confidence in the boar man that he's gonna do the thing. Danny's gonna get it done. We use the skiff as a clock system, like to give our clients like direction and to, communicate, be on the same page, right?
Yeah.
As we're spot and stalking, I'm gonna give you a direction with 12 o'clock being the bow.
Okay.
And the other thing in fly fishing and saltwater is line management.
Okay.
And just keep the deck clear. You're gonna start with your fly in your hand. Use your thumb on this cork and just give it a little pop forward. So try that first and just get your roll cast down.
Okay.
And then from there, we'll start working with your other skill set. Take your rod tip completely straight up and down next to your body.
Yep.
And just flick it forward. Yep. And as you're doing that, you're kind of letting line feed through your fingers. See, you're already in there. Okay, so now that you got that down, then after you do your roll cast forward, right? Flies in the air, you're gonna stop your rod tip at 10 and 2. And that's basically all you're doing. And as you go forward, you can feather a little bit of line through your fingers.
You see that? Awesome. Got it. 10 and 2.
Uh-huh. Now we got it, baby. You saw the difference there, right? I redneck the shit out of words. My explanations are pretty simple. What you want to do right here is put your thumb forward.
There you go, brother.
Thanks, dog.
There we go. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, you see that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Little fella.
What is that, a ladyfish?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Little gurgle action. It's a cute little silver missile.
You're doing it. You're getting there. Now let that one go. And let it sink, let it sink, let it sink. Okay, now go. Beep, 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 beep. Strip, strip, strip.
Oh, what?
Now you can lift the rod tip. You know what they call these? Poor man's tarpon. Heck yeah.
Dude, first fish?
It's a ladyfish.
Ladyfish.
It's a poor man's tarpon. Oh,
Catch and release.
not in hot grease, but catch and release.
Well, let's catch another one.
Yeah, go for it, man.
That was fun. I catch those all day long. Dude, that's a fatty. Ladyfish. Yes. Oh, that dolphin just ate it.
She go. It's not for everyone. It's a game of patience and trial and error. And if you are the type of personality that likes to have immediate success, saltwater fly fishing may not be for you. But if you like to really figure something out and put your time in to become good at something that is very challenging, saltwater fly fishing is for you. Oh, nice. Dude, your first snook. So you just stick your thumb in here. Yep. He's gonna jiggle when you do that. Good work, dude. Yeah. Hey, that was all him.
Craig's spot.
Craig's spot, his coaching, I'm just here for the, you know, the entertainment, really. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just snook in it, huh?
Oh, heck yeah. They're growing. You got a red? Hell yeah. Slamming. Now we just need a pooner. It's your first red.
First red.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the snook in here are next level. Getting bigger. They're hungry in here. Oh, that was so fun. That was a nice one. Yes.
Danny,
Yeah.
it's time for your Florida man initiation. Give me your t-shirt. Now, you don't have enough hair to grow a mullet, so I'm just gonna have to cut your t-shirt.
I'll do whatever it takes to make these fish bite.
You have to go wrestle an alligator next. Oh yeah.
Now we're fishing in Florida.
Just keep plugging the holes, man. Somebody's gonna get it. Be ready, buddy. This is good water right here. Yes. Keep that rod nice and low. What is that thing?
Something.
It's hanging down like a
huge,
redfish.
but it's. Oh, it's a f***ing sheep's head, dude.
Nice, bro. That's a nice one too, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about, Dave.
I'll take that.
Hell yeah, brother. That's what I'm
That'll do it,
freaking
dude.
talking about, bro.
My first sheep's head on a fly.
Yeah, nicely done, dude.
Look at the f***ing teeth.
Hell yeah.
Little
man.
human biters, dude. That's Phew. First sheep's head, dude.
Hell yeah, man. That's killer.
Damn. Sick.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. Let's freaking go, dude. You gotta have a beer after a sheep's head, dude. That's worthy.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Right on, boys. Cheers, brother.
There's times as a fly fishing guide in saltwater that I come home and I have my tail tucked between my legs many days. There's some days where everything seems like it's absolutely perfect for all of it to go right, and it just doesn't. It's fly fishing. So to take a moment and stop, look around, breathe, enjoy what we're doing out here. Most people never ever get to see this. I think it was a fantastic day. I mean, Danny far exceeded all of our expectations, wouldn't you say?
We were hoping just to catch a couple fish.
Yes. And we didn't just catch a couple fish, we lost count. So I think we've had great success, and he just has the best attitude. I mean, look at his, hey.
We started the day with a ladyfish, and we're gonna end the day with a ladyfish. No expectations, just having fun.
That's the key.
Yep.
If you quit having fun doing this, then you probably should quit doing it. Get out of here.
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about. If you quit having fun fly fishing, you should just quit, period. This is all about having fun, and I think that is the key to my take on fly fishing is it's fun. If you're not having fun in it, try something else. Go mini golfing or something, I don't know.
I'd stay out here all day, every day. I love it so much.
It's so cool. I mean, dude, turn around and look at this sunset right now. It's not about the monetary richness that we find value in. It's the richness in the friendships and the connections